So it's not
So we are
bad.
in the Buckingham Hotel. This is the, I think it is. So let's just go.
Ah, it's open.
It's open.
Yeah.
You can stop. Welcome to London.
Hello. Wow, very nice room. It's the first feeling when you are entering is this coziness, like really, really nice and cozy. In here we have an additional blanket if you are cold. If you are too hot, you have a fan. That's cool. And wow, look at this. This, let me tell you a story. Once I was looking for an apartment in Dublin, and probably my sister, if you are watching, do you remember? Like we were literally looking at the room very similar to this, and they say that it's a self-sustained studio. And if it's self-sustained studio, it means it contains like a kitchen, you know, and we were like, so where is the kitchen? So where is this kitchen? And this woman, she said, is in the closet. So this is exactly what it is in here. You see, you have a kitchen in a closet. You have a fridge in here. You have a microwave. You have some like, yeah, you have even some utensils to keep the stuff. Oh, wow, the kettle and some biscuits, surprise, yes. Quite a big bed, so it's very nice. And what I love, look at this. You can actually open a window. Isn't it awesome? I love it. Like, and we have a nice view, and there is like a balcony, look. And then we have a bathroom. So yeah, of course, there is a toilet and there is a bathtub as well, which is fantastic. I love the hotels where you can get a bath. So that's our room in London. So now we will, of course, see all the attractions that there are to see in London, and maybe we will also go for a trip outside. Let's see and enjoy London.
Stay tuned, click like,
subscribe.
and comment below. See you later on.